Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rahul. So today we are doing one simple DSA question related to matrix. So the question is to search an element in a sorted matrix. So it's nothing much. We need to iterate through the matrix. That's it. In order to find the element, and if it's there, we have to return true. If it's not there, we have to return false. That's it. That's much simple question. I will explain the code line by line and let's dive right in. So here this is our question. We have one strictly sorted 2D matrix of size n and m and a number x. We have to find whether the number x is present in the matrix or not. So each row is sorted strictly in increasing order, and the first element of the ith row is greater than the last element of the I minus 1th row. So it's nothing but just we need to iterate. That's enough. So for this, I am just using for two for loops for rows and column. For int I will start from zeroth index and I will take the matrix length. Then I will increment it. Same I have to do for the column because it's 2D array, 2D matrix. Then I have to get the length of column metro 0 length, then increment I. So we are now iterating through each element from 0th position. From here we will start, then we will iterate through this. Now we have to give the condition if the element is there mad of I and j, then nothing, just return true because the data type here is boolean. Okay, then we have to come out of the loop. Then if it is not there, we have to return false. So that's it, our code is ready. Yeah, it's working fine. Let's submit it. So it passed all the test cases and it's time taken 1.4. So it's the simplest way we can do this code rather than doing more complication. Like I will tell you, means in this question also we can do in another way. Like we can use the while loop by taking the rows and columns and checking in a mid value method. Like what to tell, like another way of searching, we will break it into two session, and if it is less we will take the first part. If it is greater we will go to the second part. Like that we can do, but it's a good thing for a beginner. Like that I did. So if you like this explanation, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video and happy coding.